This is exactly how I was able to fix Escape the Backrooms black screen. So basically what I had to do is to go into Steam here and then click on Library, and then on Escape the Backrooms right here I just had to right click and then click on Properties here, as you can see. And now on Properties click on Installed Files here, and then we need to verify integrity of game files. So make sure to do that. This can sometimes take a while, just so you know. So just, you can see here, you can see the progress right here. So if there is any problem with the game itself, with the saved file, it's gonna say it in here that you can actually fix it. And what you also can do is to right click on this one once again, click on Manage, and then click on Browse Local Files here. And then on this page right here, right click on Backrooms, Show More Options, and then click on Properties here. And now I'm just gonna make sure so you can see. Of course, I'm just gonna focus on this bit here. Hopefully you can see it, and then click on compatibility here, and then click on run this program as an administrator, as you can see, and then just simply click on apply after that, click on OK. Now there is one more thing that we need to do as well. So it depends on what type of drivers that you have, but I have the NVIDIA drivers, so I had to get the NVIDIA app here. As you can see, very easy. You can just Google for the NVIDIA app. Here I'm just gonna show you real quick. Hopefully you can see okay. Just gonna see, and you can see here, this is the app that I was able to get, as you can see. You can get the GeForce Now app, or there is also a regular NVIDIA app, I believe. Oh, this one actually, yeah, NVIDIA app. So this is the one that I have, by the way. So I would recommend you to get this one as well, because it's gonna help you to have the most up-to-date drivers if you have the NVIDIA here. So you can see it says here on drivers section here that I need to get a new game ready driver here. So actually I need to, but I already got one before, so it works perfectly, but I should actually get this one as well, to be fair. But yeah, basically after I did all of those right here, I just went back to the game, and now it works perfectly for me, and I hope that this will be able to fix it for you as well.